Welcome students. In this chapter rotational dynamics, next point is a well of depth, that is the minimum speed to move the vehicle safely along a horizontal circle in a well किंवा vertical well. In last video we have studied expression for the maximum speed limit to move the vehicle safely on a horizontal curve road. That speed, in that expression, the speed is maximum speed, and beyond that maximum speed, vehicle moves with a speed greater than that speed limit, then the vehicle can thrown off the road, and therefore this is the maximum speed limit. In this video, in this next point, well or wall of death, maut ka kuआं, in this expression, in this case, we obtain expression for the minimum required speed. मिनिमम म्हणजे कमीत कमी एवढं स्पीड असलं पाहिजे. जास्त स्पीड असेल तर चालेल, आणि तिथे त्या कर्व हॉरिझॉन्टल कर्व रोडच्या बाबतीत मॅक्झिमम स्पीड लिमिट आहे आणि त्याच्यापेक्षा कमी स्पीड असणं आवश्यक आहे. जास्त स्पीड असता कामा नये. आणि इथे बरोबर उलट आहे, मिनिमम रिक्वायर्ड स्पीड म्हणजे मिनिमम स्पीडपेक्षा जास्त स्पीड आवश्यक आहे टू मूव द व्हेकल इनसाइड द वेल ऑफ डेथ सेफली. फॉर दॅट, to derive this expression for minimum required speed, V minimum for a vehicle moving inside a well of death along a horizontal circle as shown in this figure. Consider a vertical cylindrical well, and a vehicle is moving or driven along horizontal circle inside the well as shown in this figure. Let's see is the center of circular path किंवा center of well. R is the radius of well of death. M is the mass of the vehicle, and let V is the velocity of the vehicle. Then the forces acting on the vehicle. There are three forces acting on the vehicle as shown in this figure. When the vehicle is moving along a horizontal circle inside the well along the surface of well which is in vertical, and the circle is horizontal, and when the vehicle is in contact with the surface of well, and there are three forces acting on the vehicle. First is due to its weight mg, and this weight mg is always acting vertically downward direction as shown in this figure. m मास असेल तर mg हे वेट असतं, आणि mg एवढं वेट हे नेहमी व्हर्टिकली डाऊनवर्ड. g इज ॲक्सिलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रॅव्हिटी विच इज डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ, that is downward direction, and therefore this weight mg is always acting vertically downward direction. And in this, the force of friction between the surface of well and the tires of the vehicle, the force of friction when the two surfaces are in contact with each other, then there is always a force of friction between that surface, and this force of friction is always along the surface, and therefore here the surface is vertical, and therefore force of friction is also in vertically upward direction. Here the force of friction is vertically upward direction, Fs, and thus this force of friction Fs balances the weight mg, and the minimum force of friction Fs to balance the vehicle along this horizontal circle, to keep the vehicle steady in this position, this force of friction must be greater than the weight mg, and minimum force of friction is equal to mg, and this force of friction Fs is equal and opposite to mg, and they cancel each other. And there is third force acting on the vehicle is the normal reaction N. This normal या शब्दाचा अर्थच आहे perpendicular. Normal reaction N is the force exerted by the surface on the vehicle, and this normal reaction force exerted by the surface is always perpendicular to the surface. Here surface is in vertical direction and therefore force is horizontal direction, perpendicular to vertical surface, that is in horizontal direction, and circle is in horizontal plane, and therefore this normal reaction force is along the radius of a horizontal circular path and directed towards the center of a circle, and therefore only one force, unbalanced force, remains acting on the vehicle is the normal reaction N, which is directed towards the center of a circle, and therefore this normal reaction N supplies the necessary centripetal force for the circular motion of a vehicle inside the wheel. Thus, the forces acting on the vehicle moving along circular path, horizontal circular path inside the wheel are first mg, that is weight of the vehicle, which is acting vertically downward. Second, Fs, that is the force of static friction between the surface of wheel and tires of the vehicle, which is acting vertically upwards and along the surface of wheel. This force Fs prevents the downward slipping of the vehicle due to its weight. वेट mg डाऊनवर्ड दिशेला असल्यामुळे व्हेइकल डाऊनवर्ड दिशेला स्लिप होण्याचा धोका असतो, आणि म्हणून हा फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन जो अपवर्डला आहे, अपवर्ड डायरेक्शनला आहे, तो डाऊनवर्ड स्लिपिंगपासून अवॉइड करतो किंवा प्रिव्हेंट करतो. हियर these forces mg and fs are equal and opposite, and hence they balances each other, and therefore we get mg is equal to fs, equation number 1 here. And third force is capital N, that is normal reaction acting horizontally towards the center and along the radius exerted by the surface which is perpendicular to the surface. And this normal reaction N exerted by the surface on the vehicle is perpendicular to the surface, and this normal reaction N is along the radius and directed towards the center of a circle, and therefore it provides the necessary centripetal force for the circular motion of a vehicle. Therefore, we know centripetal force is equal to mv square upon r or mr omega square. Here, normal reaction N is equal to centripetal force, and therefore we get capital N is equal to mv square upon r, equation number 2. Then this force of static friction Fs is always less than or equal to mu s into n. Force of static friction Fs is equal to mu s into n असं आपण मागच्या डेरिव्हेशनमध्ये सूत्र लिहिलं होतं. तर फोर्स ऑफ स्टॅटिक फ्रिक्शन Fs is always less than or equal to mu s into n. Equation number 3. Here mu s is the force coefficient of static friction. Mu s is the coefficient of static friction between the surface of road and vehicle. Substitute from equation 1 Fs is equal to mg in equation 3. Then we get mg is less than or equal to mu s into n, equation number 4. Then in equation 4 substitute value of capital N from equation 2. Capital N is equal to mv square upon r and n minimum is equal to mv minimum square upon r. Therefore, equation 4 becomes mg is less than or equal to mu s into mv square upon r किंवा mv minimum square upon r. From m cancels on both sides, and from this we get v square. v square फक्त एका बाजूला, बाकीच्या दुसऱ्या बाजूला. v square is greater than or equal to, हे r इकडे घेतलं तर gr upon mu s. v square is greater than or equal to rg upon mu s. म्हणजेच v minimum, इथेच आपण v minimum घेतलं तर v minimum is greater than or equal to root rg upon mu s, equation number 5. This equation 5 gives the minimum required speed to perform this stunt, to perform this stunt in a well of death. From this minimum speed, we can write the minimum frequency, formula for minimum frequency. Frequency n is equal to v upon 2 pi r. Frequency n is equal to, and therefore n minimum is equal to v minimum upon 2 pi r. v minimum ची किंमत इक्वेशन 5 वरून सबस्टिट्यूट करून n minimum is equal to root rg upon mu s divided by 2 pi r. हे r आहे ते स्क्वेअर रूटमध्ये घेतलं तर ते छेदस्थानी r स्क्वेअर होईल आणि 1/2 पाय इंटू रूट rg अपॉन म्यू एस इंटू r स्क्वेअर. तर हे r स्क्वेअरमधला एक r अंशस्थानच्या rशी कॅन्सल होऊन n मिनिमम इज इक्वल टू फॉर्म्युला होईल 1/2 पाय रूट g अपॉन म्यू एस इंटू r. And thus we have studied equation number 5. We have derived equation 5, that is expression for the minimum required speed to move the vehicle safely along a well of death. मिनिमम एवढं स्पीड असलं पाहिजे, म्हणजे या फॉर्म्युल्यावरून जी किंमत कॅल्क्युलेट करून येईल त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त स्पीड असलं पाहिजे टू मूव द किंवा टू परफॉर्म दिस स्टंट. थँक्यू.